Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to create attractive thumbnails for your social media using AI. So here, let me tell you, I'll be using ChatGPT. Here, I'll just open up my ChatGPT. For example, I am making a video on Gmail, how to create a Gmail ID, for example. So I need a thumbnail for that, which will be completely made by ChatGPT. So here what I'll do is I'll simply write a prompt. Suggest me some thumbnail ideas for a video titled how to create a Gmail ID. So just simply I will click here and it will start suggesting me ideas. Clean guide style, background Gmail logo, large and clear foreground, screenshot of Gmail sign up page, all these things will come up. So you can go for, you can read through all these ideas suggested by ChatGPT, and what you'll do is you can see this is a general tip which is applicable for all of the 5 ideas that has been given by ChatGPT. So here what I'll do is I will simply, for example, a minimalistic modern look. For example, I want this. So what I'll do is I'll simply go for another prompt. If I like the third idea, then what I'll do is I'll simply write create a prompt for generating thumbnail on this. I'll simply put a dash on this and I'll write, simply copy and paste this and enter. So you can see here's a thumbnail generation prompt for the minimalistic modern style. Create a clean minimalistic YouTube thumbnail with a plain white background. Place a large, high quality Gmail logo, all these things. You don't need to even read this. So here the main technique lies. After getting this prompt here, simply go to a very professional thumbnail, AI thumbnail maker. That is, I'll simply open up here and the name is ideogram.ai. Simply search it in Google and this is what it will take you to. So it is the first page of that, and it will ask you to log in. So simply log in with your Gmail ID. So I'm on the free version of this plan. I have not taken the pro version or the paid version. So here what I'll do is I'll simply write the prompt that I had generated from ChatGPT. I'll simply paste copy and paste, and I just forget to mention the colors also I need to paste. Color tips, simply go copy paste, and as you know the YouTube size aspect ratio is 16:9. I'll simply select this and default on style color, all the things, and here I'll simply click on generate. So once you do that, you can see there are like 4 images will be created simultaneously. Waiting slow in, okay, it has started generating. So the image generation is complete. You can see this is a very minimalistic image that I had shown here. For example, I like this thing. So let me see. If I like this, I can click here and I can simply download it. For example, I'll download it in JPEG. If I download, it is getting downloaded in JPEG. So, for example, I don't need this minimalistic. I am more concerned with a clean guide style, the first one. I'll simply copy and paste here in ChatGPT. I will copy my prompt that I had given before. This create a prompt for generative thumbnail on this. Okay. So it has given me the prompt. I'll simply copy, go to this website ideogram, and again I will go for home. In home, I'll for example color tips will be same. I'll simply replace this design and press enter. Let's see what waiting in the slow queue. Let me see what else is coming up. What kind of other thumbnails are coming up? Let me see. It's an amazing thumbnail generating tool based on AI. You can see I like this kind of images that will definitely create attention to any content if you put this kind of thumbnail. For example, I like, once again, I like this. Usually the first thing I definitely like, but I would definitely want to have a arrow kind of thing. I'll simply click on arrow and once again, download, download. So you can see it is writing it you have reached your free plan limit. Please wait for your weekly limit to reset in 5 days. So weekly you can generate like 2 times here using this website. If you are a professional social content maker, then I would advise to take the paid version of this. So friends, this is how you make thumbnail. Let me see what thumbnails I have downloaded here. I'll show you in big screen. Look, what an awesome thumbnail. So this is how you can create thumbnails using AI. So friends, that's it. I hope you learned something very useful today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. And nowadays I have included AI learning into my videos so that you don't remain backward with respect to other subscribers. So please do subscribe and get all this knowledge about the latest technology, small technology that will definitely improve your life. So thank you. Keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.